Did I actually get shadow banned? Let's dive in. Well, hello guys, good morning. We back here taking a great look at our analytics because it's the best part of the day. As you can see, the viral days are over. This is something that is difficult to process, right? But it's fine. It's a completely natural thing. Our second or third bigger viral video is flatlining now. So what's next, right? Where are we in the journey of monetization? Well, if you go 90 days, I'm going to show you that we have 9.1 million engages, and that did not count today yet. But today was quite flopped, right? Because it was flatlining. So I'm just going to say we have 9.1 million engages. So that means that we need 900,000 engage views. And how much time do we have? Well, if you count like, yeah, for the next month, 23rd, we have approximately like 40 days to make that happen. So we need a viral video, basically. That's what I'm saying. It's not an issue if we don't hit monetization the first 90 days, but we would like to, right? Because then we just miss out on a lot of money that would come in the next month with the views, viral vids, etc, etc. Okay, so with this out of the way, as this is just a little bit of updates on how the channel is doing, we will have to grind now, like grind. And if I see that in like, let's say 2 weeks time, maybe 3 weeks time, we are not hitting a viral video, which is very possible because this viral video also took a bit of time before it exploded, then we just up the daily uploads. But I don't think that's gonna be an issue. I honestly think that we're gonna be fine with 1 vids a day, but we will see. This is just something like a thought that I was thinking about. And then now we will talk about, was I shadow banned or not? This is a very interesting question. I have seen many of you actually talk about being shadow banned on YouTube, which is a really like real thing, I would say, but it's not as common as people like to say, right? Like people like to say that they are shadow banned, but many times it's actually not true. And I want to show you something, right? Okay, so this is the last, let's say 5-6 videos that I have made on this channel. This channel was consistently getting, let's say 8 out of 10 videos got to the view jail or went a little bit above it, but that was like the most of it. You can see that most of them were doing fairly decent, right? And then we just had 2 videos completely flopping. And I'm gonna show you the videos and you can judge for yourself if you think I was shadow banned or not. Because like they just weren't even shown. As you can see, like only 10% came from the shorts feed. That's basically nothing. And on the other video, it was 12%, but like it has 135 views. So that's basically nothing. It was not shown. It was just only channel pages. So I'm gonna show you both of the shorts. And you can decide if it's because of quality or because of something else. I'm really curious. Okay, I don't think it's too loud, right? Let's put it low. Let's see.
This is what a real childhood should look like, and the ending makes it even better.
Yeah, so I just cut before something happens, so people have to rewatch. It gives me plus of AVD, average view duration. There you go. And then the kid is about to go down, and then the ending is actually pretty good. Yeah, he's going down now. I'm okay. Yeah, so I did add, and I think I did really well with this. Like I try to implement this more and more in the videos, that I try to imply that there's gonna be something really valuable at the very end, so people stick around. It's just basically a payoff, and I try to convince them that it's gonna be so good, you need to keep watching. And yeah, this video is not bad, right? Like it's fairly decent, I would say. And it flopped. It wasn't even shown. So I was like, okay, why? Is this some just like random, you know, random? Sometimes it happens. I did have something like this back here. Yeah, it was a cute vid. Exactly after the viral vid, I did something that was similar and it flopped completely. And I didn't really understand why. I was like, okay, I'm just gonna keep posting as usual. And I post this video and it flops again. And I'm gonna show you. Before we go, I'm gonna tell you though that this one got no comments because it features a child. So this could be one of the reasons why it was not shown, but just let's just watch it first.
His mom was struggling to get rid of the bugs in her bed, but just wait until you see her reason to keep going.
Yeah, it's the same thing again. I tell something, I show something, and then I give them a payoff. And that's the payoff, the kids, because they are cute. So it was, the comments were muted because of the kids, which is understandable. I have had this happen before, so it's not a problem. But I was thinking, why do I get 2 videos in a row completely dead, right? Like, why? What happens? Is it because I am close to monetization and YouTube doesn't want me to make money? Probably not, right? Doesn't make any sense. So I was like, if it happens the 3rd time in a row, I'm gonna be worrying a little bit of what happened, right? What did I do wrong? But then I post the next video and boom, view jail. Straight into the view jail, like really fast. It was 1 out of 10, by the way, because it got to the view jail quicker than usually. It has 100% average view duration and 76.3% of VVSA, which is quite good. So I was like, okay, I was not shadow banned. 2 things, I think, maybe more, but I will just go through what I think were the issues. The first one is, I don't think featuring children is the best way to go if they are the main protagonist of the clip. YouTube does not like that. That's the first thing. And I have had this experience with this video. I'm just gonna show it to you. You remember I told you that I had a video that, this is the video by the way, that completely flopped after the viral vid. I posted the vid that went to like 6 million, and the day after I posted this video and it died. It just flopped. Like you can see it, like it had 90 views in like, I don't know, like, yeah, like the first day, is it? Yeah, the first day it had like 90 views. And then it only got views because it was shown on the channel pages. So it was just basically suggested, or people just, try to scroll on my page and then they found it. So it was not working at all. I'll show you just a little bit of it.
His mom was struggling. What her daughter said at the end made it all worth it.
What are you doing?
I'm just putting my medicine in.
Yeah.
Because I lost all my hair.
Okay, so basically we give them a story that, okay, she's struggling because something, and then I didn't give enough convincing to stick around for the payoff. But still, like, 90 views in a day, that's just like, it doesn't make any sense. And then I started to see this returning pattern because it's pattern recognition, because it's an algorithm at the end. It's a child, again, a child as the main protagonist, right? Like, she's the main character in the video. It does not work. It's not good. It's not. Maybe it's just because of my channel, or maybe just because of the audience. Once again, I'm going to show it to you. So maybe because we have male 76.5% and the age group is mainly 75 plus. US, UK, India 5%, Canada, Australia. So maybe because of that, it just doesn't want to show kids to my audience because there are way less women than men. Or just in general, they just want to be careful with showing children, right? Because, they don't have the options to defend themselves. You know how it works. That's why we have YouTube Kids. So I was like wondering, okay, I have to go from putting kids as the main character of the video. I can still feature kids, but I have to be very careful, especially if they are young. And I will just go through, try to find another vid where we had a child in the video. And I don't even remember when was the last time when we had that, to be fair. I tried to avoid. We had one here, and that did well, but I try not to focus on him as much, not focus on the kid. Okay, I don't think I have posted many. Okay, I did. Okay, look. This is another example. Okay, this was not a great video, I have to say. I tried something. It was at the very beginning. It was a video about a child and a dog growing up together. It's cute, but then, as things go, the kid gets older, the dog gets older, the dog passes away. It's a sad video, but it's like very heartwarming. I tried it. It's a long video as well. So the idea was to like make it cute, have a little bit of emotional reaction from the people. And it features kids, as you can see. Like, we can say that the kid is the main element of this video. And the video flopped, completely flopped. And I'm not even sure. We will take a look. We will take a look right here. What is the VVSA on this video? 65%. It's not bad, right? Like, it's not awful. The average view duration is 37%. 37 seconds, which is not great, right? Because the video is 53 seconds long and it's only 37 seconds of AVD. But it's still not awful, right? 65%. And it flopped completely. And I think I know why. I think it's because the child was in the middle of the screen. That's the only reason why. And very few of the vids actually worked that had a child, like a literal child, a toddler, as the main character of the video. So I would say if you can avoid that, please do, because it probably doesn't help. So I wasn't Shadowbanned. I probably realized that I was just featuring too many kids. And that sounds really, really bad, I know. I have to avoid that. I have to avoid that. I like my niche is parenting hacks, family moments, I would say. So that's why I was like, okay, if it's a cute kid, I think it could work, but only if it's older. I don't think it works with like 7 minus. Anything lower than that, it's just, you know, the kid is just too fragile, vulnerable as a person because he's just too young yet. So you shouldn't feature it. This is like something that I learned. So I think you should definitely learn from my experience because I basically saved you a bunch of time and a bunch of videos that could have been posted and get 0 views at the end because they featured a child. I also wanted to say that I am really grateful for all the support that I got on this channel where we talk about YouTube growth and our experience. Basically, that's what we talk about here. I did post some stuff and the response was overwhelmingly positive. So I want to say thank you for that. You guys are lovely. We hit 100 subscribers as well. Yeah, which is also really nice. And I have seen a few comments because I said we could do channel reviews. And I am still thinking that I think it's a good idea. Guys, please let me know in the comments. Is it okay if I just post the post, basically? Or should I set up a Discord for these things? Like, should I set up a Discord and you guys send your channels? Or should we set up just a post as usual and then you guys drop your videos there? Do you think a Discord would help this community to share their knowledge? And do you think it would be beneficial for us? Because if yes, then I could make a Discord for us. And then everyone could enjoy all the knowledge that we share there daily. And you guys also could drop whatever you know about making money and creating content on YouTube. About the uploading schedule, I am not actually sure what I can do because videos take time to make and I just barely have time. So I think I will aim to like weekly 2, maybe if I have time. Weekly 2 would be lovely. I wanted to do daily, but I don't think that's possible. I just don't have time. Yesterday I went from like 8 a.m. till like 11 p.m. then dropped to bed and start again today. So it's just not possible at the moment, but it's okay. We are grateful for everything that we achieved so far, and thank you guys for the support. You are really lovely, and I will see you in the next one.